I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to unlock your earnings on Uber Web after completing verification, follow these steps to get it done smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Uber account. Start by visiting the Uber website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the same account that you used for your driver verification. Step 2. Navigate to the earnings section. Once logged in, find the earnings section in the main menu. This is where you can view your earnings and any pending verifications. Step 3. Check verification status. In the earnings section, look for a notification regarding your verification status. If it shows that verification is complete, you can proceed to unlock your earnings. Step 4. Unlock your earnings. If your verification is complete, there should be an option to unlock your earnings. Click on this option and follow any prompts that appear. Sometimes you may need to refresh the page if it doesn't appear right away. Step 5. Confirm and access your funds. After unlocking, confirm that your earnings are now accessible. You should see your available balance updated. If not, try logging out and back in again. If you follow these steps, you should be able to unlock your earnings without any hassle. Good luck and happy driving.